This will be my first official YouTube video. Well, the first full video that I am recording. If you are here, you may know me, you may not. My name is Cristina. I have a blog called Good Grief Cristina, where I talk about everything. Oh, my child. Everything from obviously grief to being an entrepreneur to random food, recipes. I got a juicer for Christmas, so y'all gonna be seeing a lot of that. And yeah, so today's video is specifically for my small business or big business owners. I know that I have struggled with finding great shipping materials at a decent price. I've looked at everybody from Amazon to Uline to overseas. Overseas is great and cheap, but it may take you about 2 to 3 months to get it. Who has time for that? Uline, great stuff. Prices are just a little too much for me. And recently I came across a gem that I wish I knew about 2 or 3 years ago. That is You Pack and Ship. You Pack and Ship. I am also missing the thumbnail. Don't put that on mine. Anywho, I ordered, first of all, love them. This is not sponsored in any way. I just wish somebody told me what I'm telling you. I ordered my stuff maybe on a Monday. It got to me on that Wednesday. And I didn't order like one little thing. I ordered 3 things. And I'm about to show you my order slip and what I ordered right now. Give me 2 seconds. Yes, I already opened the box because I didn't want y'all seeing me struggle open this big old box. But this is the box. Okay, well, I'm gonna show y'all how big this box is. This is the box, look. It's already open, like I said, because I didn't want y'all to see me struggle. It was perfectly packaged. All of this bubble wrap that I'm pretty sure my nephews or somebody, maybe my dog's gonna have a great time with. Anywho, so let me get my packing slip. This is not it. This is my most recent order from them. Farts. Ah, found it. Okay. So you don't see my address. Here is the packing slip. It's probably backwards, but you can see I ordered 3 things. I ordered the cactus poly mailer package. I ordered gold, rose gold bubble mailers and cactus boxes that match the cactus mailers. Now I'm gonna start with these mailers. It's called their Smile Mail Perfect Package Kit. Like I said, if you are any kind of business owner and you ship things in these, yes, I did this already, don't judge, but if you ship them in these and if it's merch or anything, I strongly suggest the Smile Perfect Package Kit. Now let me tell you why. This is what all came in the kit. Okay, we have our mailer, which is 10 by 13. Not only that, they also send you, first of all, that was 100, it's 100 mailers, like, no lie. I counted them, of course. It's 100. Okay. They also send you 100 of the clear, I'm not sure the right term for this, but they send you 100 of these too, which we all love and need, and no one wants to spend $13 on these. The only downside about this is that they don't have the warning label on them, but you can print that on a piece of paper and put it in there if you need to. Not only do they come with the mailers and the little clear things, they came with thank you stickers. And not one sheet of stickers. I didn't even open it. But, what is it? 12 stickers on each sheet, and I have Watch me struggle. These 25 sheets. 25 sheets of thank you stickers that, of course, I love, match my mailers. Obviously, I have a thing for cacti. Don't know when it started. Don't know why. Love them. Really pretty. So, of course, when I saw these mailers and the stickers and the boxes, that is immediately what my eyes gravitated to. I'm not going to struggle and do that right now, but I will put these back later. Now, I showed you the poly mailers, the clear thingies that we'll eventually find the name for those for, the thank you stickers. And the icing on the cake is that they come with thank you cards. And I believe it was 100 of these. I'm not sure, but I do think it's 100. They are very thick. They say, I hope you love your new purchase just as much as I love bringing it to you. With gratitude, your stylist. Now, I'm not a stylist. I'm more so a designer. However, you are more than welcome to write something else in or write something a little more personal on the back. Perfect. Keep in mind, four of these things were $20. $20. $19.99, but $20. All right, so that was a smile mail kit. Perfect. I also ordered 25 of these beautiful metallic bubble mailers. I also make jewelry. Obviously, these two necklaces are available on my website. And no one wants to get something this small in a package this big, and it just doesn't make any sense. So I ordered these, and I ordered them, one, because these are nice. Like, look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. And they match the cactus. So you know how to get those. So I got 25 of those. Y'all, I was excited when I opened this box, okay? Because I was just excited. So all of the mailers that match my other mailers. Now, I did order these boxes. I will say I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than these. I thought they were going to be like something like that. They are not, however.
Bruh.
However, look at this. Like, look at this. Let me put it together. Look at this. Oops. Now, I can still ship merch stuff in this. Obviously, just have to be a little creative with how it goes in there. I did actually package an order that I should have recorded, and put it in here. It was our wine set, still available on my website, thedxcshop.com. I'll also link that in the description once I figure that out too. But just look at this. Just look at it. Just look at this. And then I love it because if I am shipping jewelry and I don't just want to wrap it up in something, I can slap one of these, the jewelry in here, put in there, boom, perfect, real cute. So I did wish I'd ordered the bigger ones for bigger items, obviously, but it is what it is. I'll know better next time. So yeah, that was my first purchase, which was on January 18th. It was shipped on the 19th, and I got it the next day. So that was my first purchase. So I'm gonna put all of this back and walk you through my second purchase, which was January 22nd, but don't judge me. It's not a problem. So please hold while I put all this stuff back. All right, now that we've gotten that done, well, kind of. Put this all back in here. All right, so my next awesome order from them was, well, guess who put the wrong thing back in the box? All right. So I showed you guys my small meal kit, my cactus boxes, and my rose gold bubble mailers. It's mid-January, obviously right after I ordered these, and I was like, ooh, Valentine's Day, more packages. My last day for Valentine's Day orders was like, I think I said it was gonna be February 8th. So I felt like I still had time to find something that was gonna be really cute, and you know I did. So they had these rose poly mailers, and of course I was like, that's it, that's the one, and I got them. Look at this, just look at how cute this is. So, you know, I had to order them. I felt like they were really perfect for Valentine's Day order. And of course, if I don't use them all, I will still have more for next year, or, you know, if somebody orders something and they say it's for their anniversary, just anything specific like that, because customer service is always key, especially when you're a business in general, but especially small businesses. Like, that's because it's way more personal. But I was very excited about those. I ordered them on the 22nd, of course. They shipped on the 25th, which was a little different, but I believe they are closed on the weekend, so they don't process much. Still not a problem because I got them in great timing, and was able to ship my first batch of more Valentine's Day orders off without an issue. These, it was a pack of 100, and I'm gonna show you how much they were so y'all don't think I'm lying. Type in whatever phrase you wanted to use. Had to hide the address, but look at it, look. $6.99. $6.99. So $6.99. Total ended up being, shipping was almost more expensive than the mailers themselves. Total ended up being $13.94. I think that was a really great investment, but I can just say from personal experience. Obviously, I'm not gonna lie, I want my page to be as transparent as possible. I'm very happy with my purchase. It's not even a purchase, it's an investment. When you're a small business owner, whatever you're doing, it's those little things, attention to details that I think are important. And I know customers appreciate it as well. I know, you know, it's easier to just ship them off in like the USPS packages because they're free. I understand it. I do that sometimes too. But I think this is a good investment. So that's all I have to say. If you've enjoyed watching me basically talk to myself, I appreciate you. If you have any questions about my order, again, this was not sponsored whatsoever. I just wanted to share something that I use with my business with people that may be able to use it. So until next time, next video, it's me, Cristina, checking out with my one missing thumbnail, but it's okay. Press on, shawty.